Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to share some quick tips on how to keep your skin super hydrated, soft and supple this summer. Obviously the number one thing is to keep yourself hydrated. I always keep a sipper handy and I keep on sipping water and keep myself hydrated, which is very important, and especially in summers you have to consciously drink lots of water. So yeah, pause the video and take a sip of water right away. You can always make detox water and have fun with drinking more water. Secondly, I include a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables in my diet. Like in summer especially, I have watermelon, cucumber, coconut water, fresh juices, whatever is available which is rich in water. I try to have that in my diet, so you could incorporate that. Thirdly, always wear sunscreen. I cannot stress enough on this. It's very important to protect your skin, to keep it healthy. So protection is very important. Always wear 50 plus SPF, and preferably keep applying it throughout the day. So even if you're sitting indoors, have a sunscreen on because we are exposed to sunlight. So lastly, always moisturize your skin. So the key to healthy, supple, soft skin is moisturization. So you have to moisturize your skin twice a day. Currently, I've been obsessed with the Bioderma Atoderm Creme. This is so good. I cannot keep my hands off it. So I thought I will just talk about this product for a little bit. Starting with the basics, this comes in a tube packaging. It's a simple, sturdy packaging and it has a flip cap top. So yeah, you know your product is closed. You get that sound. So yeah, this is like the basic tube packaging. I love Bioderma packaging. Like it's simple, minimal and very clean. So coming to the texture of the product, it is not very thick nor is it too thin. Like it is a perfect middle consistency. So it just absorbs very well into the skin and keeps your skin moisturized and hydrated for 24 hours. So this just gives you that intense hydration and moisturization. So this moisturizer is not crazy thick, so it will not feel heavy and sticky on your face, but at the same time it will give you that enough moisturization which will last you throughout the day.
So I use the Bioderma Atoderm Creme twice a day, morning and evening. Firstly, I cleanse my skin with Bioderma Sensibo H2O micellar water. I love this product. It's my holy grail. After that, I apply the Bioderma Atoderm Creme and massage it on my neck and face till it's fully absorbed.
I absolutely love how Bioderma Atoderm Creme makes my skin feel. It makes it super soft, supple and improves skin texture from the first use. So this moisturizer is perfect for a normal to dry sensitive skin, but even if you have oily skin, you can use this as your night moisturizer, and obviously you can use it during the colder months. The best part about this moisturizer is that it is fragrance free, so it won't irritate your skin, and it is alcohol free and it is non-comedogenic, so it won't clog your pores. I love Bioderma products. It is safe for the skin and it's been tested by dermatologists, so yeah, it's like a very safe brand to use.
Another interesting thing about this moisturizer is the Skin Protect Complex, which contains vitamin PP and a combination of two sugars, which physically and biologically recreates a healthier skin barrier and helps maintain the skin's water reserves.
So this retails for $5.99 for 200 ml. Also, I will leave the purchase links in the description box below, so in case you're interested, you can check it out. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.